The Type 054 guided missile frigate was built only 2 before being succeeded by the Type 054A with more power. At the end of 2019, Chinese media published pictures of the Type 054 frigate number 525 Manshan as it was brought to the Hudong Shipyard for modernization. It is expected that, after completion, the Type 054s will be no different from the Type 054A. The Type 054 or Shanghai 1 is a class of Chinese Mandarin frigates that were commissioned in the People's Liberation Army Navy Service Force in 2005 to replace the Type 053H3 frigates. The Type 054 resembled the French Lafayette-class frigates in shape and displacement. The vessel has a stealthy hull design with sloped surfaces, radar-absorbent materials, and a reduced superstructure clutter. Type 054 has a full displacement of 3,900 tons, a length of 134 meters, a beam of 16 meters, and a draft of 5 meters. The Chinese used French or French-derived electronics and weapons. The French exported these systems to China in the 1980s and later granted production licenses. These systems were similar to those used on the Lafayettes in the 1980s. The succeeding Type 054A frigates incorporated a large proportion of more advanced indigenous systems. The 2 ships of the Type 054 class are powered by combined diesel and diesel propulsion systems, consisting of 4 Semper-stick 16 PA6 HTC diesels with 7,600 horsepower each. Type 054 can reach a maximum speed of 27 knots, with an estimated range of 1,025 nautical miles. The main anti-ship armament were YJ-83C skimming anti-ship cruise missiles in 2 4-cell launchers. It retained the HQ-7 surface-to-air missile, an improved version of the French Crotale from the preceding Type 053H3. The HQ-7 had a ready-to-fire 8-cell launcher, with 16 stored in the automatic reloader. Short-range defense was improved with 4 AK-630 closing weapon system turrets. A 100mm main gun, also based on the French design, was mounted. Compared to the upgraded Type 054A, it is easy to see that the equipment of the Type 054 is much inferior. The Type 054's air search radar is the Type 363S2D. Only detects targets with a maximum range of 112 kilometers, and the accuracy is not entirely reliable. Compared to the 3D frigate M2EM on the Type 054A with a reconnaissance range of 300 kilometers, it is clear that the capacity of the Type 054 cannot be compared. Type 054 surface search radar is the MR36A, used to guide anti-ship missiles with a range of 150 kilometers, far behind the 250 kilometers in active mode and 450 kilometers in the passive mode of the mineral ME on the Tab 054A. The most recognizable point of the Tab 054 is that instead of 12 cells HHQ16 vertical launch system as on Tab 054A, it carries 8 cells HHQ7 surface-to-emission launcher with a maximum range of 15 kilometers. After upgrade, this is the most valuable point for the Tab 054. My video about the Chinese Tab 054 frigate answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.